Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Some number what the Jamaica Constable Force JCF put out shows the murder gone up by 15.5% when they look on the same time last year. Police lock up a man after them find $3 million worth of coke yesterday. Major General Anthony Anderson, or the police commissioner, said it will take 6,000 more police officers to make the force stronger. Kingston College win the 2021-2022 ISA Manning Cup title after them beat Jamaica College 5-4 in a sudden death penalty at the Stadium Eastfield Saturday. Now for the full tour of them. Some number what the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF put out shows the murder gone up by 15.5% when you look on the same time last year. The number them shows that 112 people get killed in the first 23 days. 97 people did get killed them time last year. St. James have the highest killing with 21, Westmoreland have 12, St. Catherine South have 11, and St. Catherine North have 10. Portland are the uncle parish when nobody no get killed in up to Sunday. Police lock up one man after them find $3 million worth of coke yesterday. The police no put out the man name, but them find him with money and coke in our operation in our house at John Blair, St. Andrew. According to Jarvis Moore, who are the head for the narcotics division, the coke weigh 134 pounds and them are looking at things some more and them are going to charge the man. Major General Anthony Anderson, who are the police commissioner, said it will take 6,000 more police officers to make the force stronger. Him say right now, the force shot 33%, were the right number for fight against crime and violence in the country. The commissioner said last year, over 300 man and women left the force. But him say COVID-19 did slow down the drive to get more people to join the force, but them they back on track now. Patsy Edwards, who are the president for the Nurses Association for Jamaica, says she worry about how COVID-19 are going to affect the picnic them in the long term. Miss Edwards said although people not study enough yet about it, picnic will catch the virus might get some other sickness from it. She says she worry about what will happen to the picnic them 10 to 15 years from now with them health. She said they might get heart problem, they might can't breathe good or get kidney problem. What year, the Medical Association for Jamaica, MAJ, said them did worry about the same things too. The police said them lock up one man who did involved in a one killing in a Lucy Hanover last year after them catching him in a Denantown, Kingston. The man, a 23 years old Mark Winter, who people call Natty, him come from Cascade in a Hanover and him did a run from the police a couple months. The police said Winter are one out of two men who shot 33 years old Stephen Otter Yard at Cass Hill District in a Hanover on Sunday, August 1, 2021. The police asked him some questions on January 22nd and them charged him for kill somebody. Winter go before the Hanover Parish Court on Wednesday, January 26th. Now for sports. Kingston College KC won the 2021-2022 ISA Digital Manning Cup title after them beat Jamaica College JC 5-4 in a sudden death penalty at the Stadium Eastfield Saturday. The team did draw 1-1 in a regular time and them did lock 4-4 after the two teams get 5 penalty kicks. This is KC's second time I win the Manning Cup in the last 4 years. The Manning Cup never kept in a 2020 because of COVID-19. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.